I need to know if you can hear me. Hey, it's your boy Gaz. Today we're gonna do a options trading review of what went over today. This will be September 4th of 2024. You know, we just had Labor Day weekend just came. I know everybody probably enjoyed time with their families. I want you to understand that you did give a good time to rest, and after you rest, that it's time to get back to charting. You make sure you focus. You should chart every night, at least get an hour in, a good hour. You want to make sure you go over your charts. It will make you feel better the next morning. It's just what it is. I'm gonna go over the trades I did right now, and then I'm gonna post the trades of my gains inside my Discord. So, but again, let's get right back into it. So today, of course, you know I traded one of my favorites, SPY. Did two trades today. Easy percent gains. Again, I won't give away those anymore unless you join the Discord. But let's go ahead and see what happened today. Just like I said yesterday, if you watch my video, I said SPY could have did one of two things: calls or puts. I called personally puts, but I said it could go calls. And that's exactly what happened. I mean, exactly what happened. It did go calls. I called the area, the 552. It did go past that 552, and it did skyrocket all the way to the 554. But like I said, it will only be about a $2 move, and that was correct. There was puts that you could have got in 11.25, 11.30. That would have been a nice uh, put area to get into it, but this shows some deeper price action, areas of liquidity, some liquidity sweeps. See what's best. The chart pattern that I used this time was a basic engulfing pattern. The engulfing is what made me get into the trade. It happened right around the 4 minute mark, so that's why I entered. I did hate that area of consolidation because remember, I leave if it ever bounces VWAP, even though I would like to. I mean, I'm sorry, not VWAP, the 8 EMA, the 8 exponential moving average. I would like for it to hit the VWAP line though. Now, with that being said, I do apologize. It was just some scrambling noise in the background. But with that being said, I do see here on the 5 minute chart there was another play that you could have done, which is the ORB open range breakout. 5 minute here. It's another 5 minute boom. It hits. It taps. You push up. It's an easy play. As soon as you see the wick touch, you know the wick is in range. Could have done that as well. But generally, the two ones I hit was a 833 and I actually did a put as well, which was like a 552 put. Tried to catch it on the dip. It wasn't a huge move though, so I got in and got out pretty quickly on that one. That was more of a scalp play. And I didn't trade for the rest of the day, but I did watch the markets though. Right now, SPY has been moving all over the place. My reviews are going to be a little bit more shorter now. Don't forget, unless you join the Discord, on the Discord, I will post some videos of different type of charts, not just what the S&P will do. Um, do know this though, the S&P does control a huge part of the market. I mean, there's the SPY, that's an indice. There's the SPY, which is just the ETF. And right now, this is the ETF right here. When you look at SPY from the last, what, 5 days, we're looking at a sideways consolidation and now a downtrend. Sideways consolidation and now a downtrend. Look at your areas of liquidity. I always say that every day. We got one here at 554, another one that's like 555. That's very close. That's a dangerous area to trade. But here's the thing: it did push past liquidity right here for them puts, and that was yesterday. And today, it it opened at a low than what it was, but it pretty much almost closed at the same area, a little bit lower than that, actually. So it looks like it again. It might have been overextended, so that's why it was going down. It looked like it tried to correct itself today. The correction happened between 9:30 and 10:45, but then again, sellers took over, and the market did go down. No, we're not in a recession. Our money is still good. Just to put that out there for anybody who's into the political part. So let's show you some basic lines. I got some right here. Um, the high, this is the SPY all-time highs, 564.35. So how could we be in a downtrend considering that? But again, I would like to look at some patterns for some swinging as well. Right here, it went down. Right here, it looked like a bearish flag is starting to form. Now, if you can look at that over time, maybe 2 to 3 more days, you can let that play out. But I would wait, since this is in this consolidation area. I will wait for a 550, and then maybe since over time, 1 second, I have to go back to a longer period, over 10 days. Since there's been a sweep even longer than that, 1 second, 20 days, perfect. You will be looking for a 545 play, a swing that could happen over the past 1 or 2 days. In fact, since we're already 551, it could hit now. But what I would hope to play out instead of a 545 would be like a 533. If the flag just pulls back a little bit more, back to this 553 area, and then pulls and it has a nice area, I'll wait a 535, 536 area. Remember, your lines are important. You want to look for areas where you're sure price is going to move. I would be worrisome of the 540 area because it will hit a level of support right there. And when I'm sorry, yeah, level of support right here. And if it pushes down support, that would be lovely. If it breaks above support, I would give it some time, wait it out, especially for people who have a 9 to 5 job like me. So I have a 9 to 5 job and I still day trade and I still look for swing trades. So if you say you can't do it, yes, you can. Put your mind to it. There's no excuses. I still go to the gym. You can do this every day. There's no excuses. I've learned from some of the best people in the world. Again, I don't make any money for some of their names, but I'm talking about Timothy Sykes, Aristotle, just to name a few. I even went on YouTube and practiced for hours and hours looking at Wise Trade. That's another one. He posted so many videos. Some of that stuff is for Forex. Some of the Forex stuff does work for options. I figured options work for me. I even tried penny stocks. You have to do what's best for you over time. You will get better. Just don't give up on doing this. But as you can see, what I would like I said, we're going to do some charting. This just to show up this bear flag, what I would hope to see happen. I would hope the flag pulls again somewhere back here before then coming down here. But remember this, we have one area though right here we have to worry about. The first one, which again is that 5 level. But again, if it just pulls back up here to 556 and it can pull past that, we're looking at a a $20 move over the next couple days. Now, I'm not calling and saying that's what's going to happen. Again, this is not financial advice. You definitely can lose money in the markets, but a $20 move in options over the next couple days, even from a single contract, I can't honestly even tell you how much money that is. Even I've never successfully pulled off a trade that well. I have called out huge trades now on my own. I mean, that's just seeing a SPY do a 400%. I mean, I called it. I didn't make 400%, but yeah, I did call it though. Guys, please follow me. TikTok, Gas Options Trader. YouTube, Gas Options Trader. Instagram, Gas Options Trader. And then, of course, join my Discord again. I do appreciate y'all time today. It's your boy Gas. I want you to enjoy the rest of y'all night, and I'm out.